the first step is to create a post route for employer. So here I'll make a post route. So my post route is register/employer, and I'll make a store employer method in user controller, and my name route will be store.employer. So we'll copy this name route and we'll go to the registration form of the employer and we'll just provide here. Okay, so route and employer registration. Okay, that looks good. And let's copy store employer. Let's go here. We can use the same method here, so we'll duplicate this method and we'll store here. We'll name this as store employer, employer, and here we can do like const job poster, and this will be employer. Now we can use job poster here. So this will be the job underscore poster, and since we are validating the name, email, and passport field for employer also, so we can use the same validation that we have used for the seeker registration. Okay, so we'll be using the same. However, I want to rename this request file, since it's not going to belong to seeker. So yeah, I'm using this validation for both employer and both seeker, so I think it's meaningful to rename this file. So let's rename this file then. So here let's go to the request. So this is a request and seeker registration request. So instead of seeker, we just write registration request, registration form request. I'll just write a registration form request, and I'll copy this name, registration form request, and I'll be using the same here, registration form request, that extend the form request, and we have to go in the user controller and we have to rename this registration form request, and here we'll have a registration form request, and here as well registration form request. Okay, now let's refresh this and let's see if our validation works or not. And it does. So validation is working for employer as well. So let's create one employer. Company name I'll give alpha, alpha@gmail.com. so this will be the employer and passport, and we are redirected back. So our employer was created, and as you can see we have employer. This is user type is employer. And the final thing I like to do here is, once this was created, let's redirect back to the login page. Okay, so return redirect and route login. So redirect to the login page. Let's copy here, let's paste here as well, and this should be fine. Let's give a try. So let's create another employer, register, and then we're back. So everything looks fine.